What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snake, snake, Severus Snape, snake, snake, Severus Snape, snake, Severus Snape, snake, Severus Snape, snake, snake, Severus Snape, snake, snake, Severus Snape, snake, Severus Snape, sing a song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yeah!
Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.
The smell of your skin lingers on me now. You're probably on your flight back to your hometown.